This is the diesel engine common rail injection system educational trainer. In this task, we'll measure parameters of the mass airflow sensor, labeled as B30 on the wiring diagram. Here's the actual OEM mass airflow sensor. In front of it, a ventilator simulates airflow, just like in a moving vehicle. Inside the airflow path, there's also a B25 air temperature sensor. Now let's locate the B30 sensor on the wiring diagram and find its measurement connection point. The B30 sensor simulation is controlled using an external potentiometer. We can monitor the sensor's signal on the built-in voltmeter by selecting the B30 setting. To get a more detailed reading, we connect a multimeter directly to the B30 connection point. This gives us a direct voltage measurement from the mass airflow sensor. As we simulate airflow changes, the voltage also changes. Lower airflow results in lower voltage, while increased airflow raises the voltage. The ECU uses this input to control other engine systems. And that's how you measure the working parameters of a mass airflow sensor.